Hello, I'm in a 2009 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. First you go on the driver's side here, and then we'll go straight down here. Where your left foot would be, if you're in the driver's seat, you should see a handle here with a little resistance that you pull and hear that pop sound. That's the safety releasing. If there's no resistance at all, it might already be open, but you want to check, make sure those cables there are tight. If not, you'll need to figure out how to fix that. But we'll go up to the front now that it's released. Most vehicles, there's like a release lever towards the middle. You can see there's a little, it's loose now. But so just feel around. And then right here is the lever. So this one we just push up and pull. So pushing, that's it. There's the part it hooks onto. And then this is that mechanism that we pulled on to release. If you're having issues, you might have some gunk in here that needs cleaned up, maybe WD-40, or maybe something like your hood, or this part's a little out of alignment, so you might need to straighten that. And worst case, you might have to replace something like this part or some of the cables, but they're pretty inexpensive parts. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.